Hi, my name is Jatin Popat. I am lawyer by profession and I have 30 years of experience into legal matters. I am a founder of a company called WillJini, which is India's first succession services company. And we have been provided thousands of Indians which are residing in India and abroad, which are NRIs, for will and succession since 2014. Today I want to cover a topic which is more relevant for HNIs, HHNIs, super HNIs, which is estate planning. So estate planning, to be honest, can be done for any common man also, but the topic that now we are taking up is a little wider, because normally a small size asset or a very simplified asset base can do a will or a family trust, but there are complete exercise to be done where the wealth include maybe various businesses, various type of properties, family members, joint ownership, the assets in India, asset abroad, there are taxation angles. So these are typically a bigger exercise for people with a 50 crores and above type of wealth. And this include the super HNI or the biggest the wealth owners of India. So the estate planning is for this HNI covers the bigger exercise of understanding mainly the ownership titles, number one, the wishes of the family member and the vision for the family. For each and every family member, there is a vision of a family that this person can do this. So the whole holistic approach for the family's wealth, whether owned by one person or a 2% or everybody, because some HHNI families have multiple properties and assets which are owned by each and every member. The actual thing has to be looked at as a family assets, and then the family have to sit down. They have to decide the common goals. They have to decide about the way forward for the businesses and for the career and everything for the family members. Now that includes the elders, the middle-aged, the youngsters, the minors, and the yet to be born, the kids. These are the whole structure. You must have seen big names in the family trust type of things where this type of exercise has been done in past. So what is to be done in such matters? That normally a team of professionals like a lawyer, estate lawyers, then there is a chartered accountant, a global tax team, then there is a succession lawyer or solicitors. They together sit down, or company secretary, they sit down and then try to understand each and every property, wealth aspect and ownership. Then what are the status? And then they list down the wishes of the family members, the vision of the family, and also they how they want to distribute the asset for the future generation. So these are the things it is to be discussed, which takes a few weeks time to understand the whole picture. Then there is a report is generated about the titles and the ownership of the businesses, the properties in India and abroad. Thereafter, there is always a suggestion, recommendation, what is to be done to fulfill, to achieve the goals of the family, which include various documents, which could be a family settlement, which could be a power of attorney, gift deed, wills, multiple wills, trust, multiple trusts. There could be a assignment deed, there could be a sale deed. All these aspects is being taken as executive point for the actual goals of the family. How they want to give it to particular business to particular family member, or how each and every individual will grow in the career, or whether they're in education, how the family's health will be taken care of, what are their needs will be fulfilled. So this whole exercise is a bigger exercise which runs into a couple of months, maybe more, depending upon the complexity and the wealth size, and the number of the professionals included in those type of exercise. Our company is doing such type of exercise regularly. We have multiple senior expert associates into property matters, business matters, tax matters, global taxation matters. So these are the normal way we also help people. So this is how we can look at the holistic approach for the estate planning. So basically, when you sit down for this type of thing, you require all the documents, first of all, about the business document, the constitutional structure, about private limited company, partnership from LLP, about the properties title document, about all the assets which are held by singly, jointly, about the movable assets, all the international assets, everything has to be placed before the professional team. The team includes solicitor, a chartered accountant for tax matter, a company secretary for any company-related matters, a tax advisor which is in India or for abroad, the succession services lawyer who will see the holistic approach for the smooth succession. So this team set will sit down and they will prepare a report for the status and what recommendation they bring in together for the next execution for the family to decide and then execute in another couple of months, or it may take 1 year also. So the whole exercise starting to end may take 2 months time or maybe 1 year or more, right? So this type of thing we are doing regularly for clients, and quite a few people in the business side, NRIs, have done those type of things, and it's a very detailed exercise, and we are happy to help such HHNIs. Thank you.